Hello Pilates lovers, welcome back to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapy. This is a lovely morning Pilates you can do every morning to wake up your muscles, your joints, to relieve all the tension and aches and pains, strengthening your core muscles. So get your mat ready and a water bottle to join me. Okay friends, we're going to slowly lie down on your back, one vertebrae at a time. Take a deep breath and blow. And now we're going to start engaging our breathing, keeping our back in neutral, making sure your pelvis is not pushing back down. If you put a coffee mug here or tilt forward, that will tilt the coffee forward. So making sure neutral is a little bit space between your spine and the mat with your breath. And blow. Let's warm up our core by taking more air in through your nose. Belly button in, squeeze, engage them, and blow. Take a deep breath through your nose. Belly button in and blow. And now we're gonna slowly stretch your neck away from your right side, left side first with your head tilt. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and gently blow. And back to the center. Now tilt your head to the right. Feel that lovely stretch on your left side. You take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. Feel that tension being released on your neck. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. Last one to the other side. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. And now we're going to slowly lift and engage the upper part of your core. Hands on your side. Chin tuck. And when you lift, try not to use your neck muscle but engaging your core, warming your core muscles with your breath. Inhale up. Belly button in and down blow. Making sure you're not hurting on your neck. If you're hurting, compensate your neck muscles. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and down low. So chin tuck. Use your core muscles, engage. Belly button in and lift. And down low. Last two. You take a deep breath. Belly button in and lift. And blow. Last one. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. Feel that core muscles engage. And now, with your hands behind your head, we're going to slowly lift it up more without using your hands to lift. Still chin tuck. Belly button in and up and blow. Inhale through your nose. Belly button in and lift. I'm still chin tuck. Feel my core engage and blow. Slow and easy. One breath, one motion and blow. It's morning time. It's nice to do everything gently and easy. And blow. Last one. Take a deep breath. Belly button in, chin tuck. Protect your neck muscles and your spine and blow. And now we're gonna slowly do tabletop. So bend your knee to 90. Hands overhead to stretch your shoulder. Right hand pointing to the ceiling. Take a deep breath and down blow. Now left side, you take a deep breath. Belly button in and down blow. Engage your core muscles. Inhale. Belly button in. Pull as hard as you can and blow. Left side, take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. Now we're gonna stretch your hamstrings. And from this position with your knee bent, you're gonna do some circle. Hold on. to your hamstrings. Take a deep breath clockwise. Belly button in, warm your legs, and blow. Now the other way around, counterclockwise. Take a deep breath and medium-sized circles. Belly button in and blow. And now straighten your leg up and down. Pull towards your chest and straighten. And then you slowly lengthen your hamstrings more as you wake up today, slowly warming up your body to start your day strong and healthy. So when I kick up gently, I'm really pinpointing my toes to the ceiling and curling my arch of my foot to engage my intrinsic foot muscles. Take a deep breath, knee to chest and up blow. So if you notice, you could bend more on your knee to chest and then kick up and blow. Slowly lengthen, take a deep breath, belly button in and blow. Last one, take a deep breath, belly button in and blow. Now the other leg. So let's start tabletop position and circle, medium size, like a size of a big dish this time. Take a deep breath. Clockwise, belly button in, still engaging your core, and blow. Inhale, belly button in and blow. Take a deep breath through your nose, belly button in and blow. Now counterclockwise, take a deep breath, belly button in and blow. Last 2 circles, take a deep breath and blow. And now we're gonna do bend knee to chest and kick up. Just curling my toes to the ceiling. Feel that lovely stretch and bend knee to chest. Take a deep breath and lift and blow. You can do your breaths alternating with the movements as long as you're doing your breaths. Inhale and blow. Still engaging your core, belly button in. Take a deep breath. Belly button in. Feel that lovely pull and stretch. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. Inhale through your nose. Belly button in and blow. Last one. You take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. And this time around, you're going to go to the right side without holding on now, and then lowering your left leg. So this time, you're able to do some small circles with your knees straight. Take a deep breath, belly button in and blow. Now counterclockwise, small circles like a small dish. Belly button in and blow. And now we're going to do bigger circle. So down, take a deep breath, and then out. Belly button in and blow. Take a deep breath out and blow. Inhale and blow. Belly button in and blow. Now just take a deep breath up and down. Belly button in and down. 2 more and down. Last one and down. And this time, hold it up and stretch. Feel the lovely pull. 1 and small range. Pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and down. Feel that lovely stretch on your back. Okay, now your left side. This time, lower the right side. Let go of your hands after you position your legs straight, pointing to the ceiling. Small circle. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. Inhale. Belly button in and blow. Now counterclockwise. Take a deep breath and blow. Inhale. Belly button in and blow. Now after the small circle, take a deep breath down and out. Belly button in. If this is too difficult, you can bend your knee to support your spine. And challenge yourself with your knee straight and blow. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. Last one, reverse. So this time you go out first and down and up. Take a deep breath. belly button in and blow. Inhale, belly button in and blow. Last one, take a deep breath and blow. Now back to stretch and small, quick pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now both legs up and pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. And let go and circle. Small circle. Hands up on behind your head. Pull your chin tuck in. Engage your core. Belly button in and blow. Counterclockwise. Take a deep breath. Belly button in. Feel the burn on your core and blow. Inhale. Belly button in and blow. And now circle away from each other from the middle. So in the middle, you go out. Belly button in and blow. Take a deep breath and blow. And now reverse. Inside and out. Belly button in and blow. Take a deep breath and blow. Last one. Feel the burn on your core and blow. And then from this position, you do alternating kick. Belly button in right and then left. Kick up, bend, and then down on the other leg. Inhale. Belly button in. Hold on for now. Keep your body warm. And now hands behind your head again. Chin tuck, not to strain your neck. Alternating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. And 10. Hug yourself and up. And both legs now up and down. Take a deep breath. Pump your legs. Belly button in. Warm your day. Start your morning strong and healthy. And blow. If you're on the go and you're traveling and you need to do some quick workout in the morning, this is a great one. Take a deep breath and blow. Belly button in and blow. Last one. And from this position, you're gonna lift your leg up and belly button up and down. If this is too aggressive, stop. If you're on your spine and lift and down. Lower abdominals and blow. Last one. Up and down. And now frog. Bend your feet together and lift. Bend. It's like a frog. Knees apart. Heels together in the middle and lift. And bend. Take a deep breath and blow. Belly button in and take a deep breath and blow. Belly button in and blow. From this position, in the frog position, you're gonna do a leg raise. So with your knees and feet together, you lift up. Belly button in and down. Blow gently. Inhale and blow. Belly button in and blow. Last one. You take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. And now with your knees straight leg raise. Down. Take a deep breath. Up and down. Belly button in. 2 more. Feel your lower abdominal burning down. Belly button in and blow. Last one. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and down. And we're cooling down now with some side stretching. Both knees to the right. Turn your head to the left. Reach to the left side with your hands on your neck. Take a deep breath and blow back to the center and blow to the other side. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. 2. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. Inhale. Belly button in and blow. Last one. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. And now we're going to stretch your piriformis. Figure 4, left over right, and hug. If you can't hug and this is too aggressive, push your knee out and just hold it there. Take a deep breath and blow. But if you want a challenge, hug your knee to chest. It's a great way to start your day, stretching your glutes and your piriformis, your deep muscles. Before you drive or sit all day, try to do this first so your body is prepared for the challenges. Prolonged sitting, prolonged standing, a lot of lifting activities, or whatever you need to do to accomplish for today. Or if you're on vacation, this is also a great way so you have the energy to enjoy your day. And blow. And now, frog, butterfly stretch. Feet together, pull it towards you so you feel a gentle stretch in your hip groin area. And blow and release and back. Take a deep breath and blow. And now rock like a baby. Feet facing the ceiling and rock side to side. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow, and then straight and back. Straight. Now your hamstrings are much more flexible before you start your day. And back in your low back area. And slowly go down and blow and open. And feet together and overhead. And slowly go down. Take a deep breath. Open and close. And overhead. And sit up, and let's stretch your neck area a little bit. And shoulder to warm up. Backwards. Pull backward. You've been going forward all day. Your job is a lot of typing in the computer. Forward posture. Push backward. Backward. Time to go a little bit backward and look up, not down. Too much cell phones. Looking down. So look up. Stretch your shoulder. Warm up those shoulders to start the day. And tilt your neck away from the tightness. Middle. Away from the right side. Lean side to side with your head while doing rotation of your shoulder. Take a deep breath and blow. And now twist and back. Twist and lean. Center. Lean overhead. Hands overhead to the side. Another side again. Take a deep breath and blow. Take a deep breath and blow. Then tilt your neck, turn, and back to center. And then turn again. Turn to the right. Take a deep breath. Feel the stretch on your neck muscles. If you've been sleeping in the side lying position and you need to lengthen that neck area where you've been sleeping on all night. If you're a side sleeper like me, I get stiff on my left side. Lengthen the left. And lean on your right elbow. And overhead, lengthen your quadratus lumborum area here. Take a deep breath. Reach over. Belly button in and blow. Feel that lovely stretch. And then the other side. Your shoulders needs to be stretched. Belly button in and blow. Last set. This is the last one. Take a deep breath. It's a perfect short Pilates. Not too long, so you have time to get ready for the day. Or if you don't have time in the morning, do it in the evening time. And that's it. I'm hoping you feel much better in your neck, shoulders, upper back, low back, and hamstrings. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Ring the notification bell for future updates just like this one. Upload videos every Wednesdays, Fridays, Sundays, sometimes Mondays for Pilates, yoga, physical therapy, health, and wellness. You can also follow me on my social media, my Facebook, Instagram, Reddit, and I also have a Patreon account. You can check out the link down below so you can support my channel financially. If you have any questions, suggestions, or comments, leave it down below so I know what's the next video just for you. Thanks again for joining me. Have a great and healthier you. Bye.